Hello everyone, welcome back to another video for free AI tools. Today I brought another topic, another tool where we can use free open source models for free. This is all about NaraRouter. Simply search NaraRouter in the Chrome browser or any other browser and you will see this first link router.bynara.id. So open this link. After opening this, this is the user interface of this website. One AI gateway for every AI model. So simply just come here, free models included, no credit card required. So just come here, there are just 3 steps to start with this. Just create your account and you can use their models for free. As you can see, for the free users who didn't pay for them, you have access to these models for free. Okay, every day you will get 7 million token and the rate limit is 10 requests per minute. So that's it. So let's press the start for free button to continue with this and use this tool. As it says, create your NaraRouter account. Sign up is disabled with the email, so we can continue with our Google account. So simply press this and create your account with Google. So after creating your account, this is their dashboard that you can see remaining tokens are 7 million. It means it gives us 7 million token for free every day. And right now all tokens are remaining because I didn't use request today, success rate, average latency, and here you can see all the details about this. So simply just come here at the right side, you can see quick start. This is their endpoint that we can use whenever we want to access and use this inside open code, client, kilocode, or any other agent. And here we can generate API key. And these are the models which are available for free for us. Mimo version 2.5 free, version 2.5 Pro free, Mistral large and Mistral medium 3.5, Mimo 2.5 Hermes, Mimo version 2.5 Pro Hermes. So these are all free models for us to use without any access, and they give 7 million token for free to us. Now let's generate an API key and we will use it inside open code. So for that, come here to the API key, or we can press this create key. So let's press this button. We move directly to the API keys and now we will create our API key. So let's free API key. Simply this is the name, and here you can set the expiry date. So this is the expiry date. So let's create our key. So after creating this key, it says just copy your key. Okay, this is the only time the full key is accessible. So let's copy this, and now to use it we need to store it somewhere. So I have copied it and I will store it somewhere. So after storing your API key, now let's open code. So to open code, simply just come here, AI test, and right click and open terminal. Or we can open the open code desktop tool, desktop application, open code, as I have already installed open code application. If you didn't install, simply search open code in browser, you can install their application, or Mac, Linux, and Windows operating system. So this is the user interface of their open code. To delete this session, there you can open your folder. As right now AI test is open, you can press this plus button to open your own folder. And now to use our NaraRouter API key and base URL here and access their free models. For that, we will click this settings here icon at the end. Click this, and here we will move to the providers. Come here to the providers, and here we will connect it with NaraRouter. So to connect it with that, let's simply these are the popular router, but we will press this custom provider. So let's press this connect, and here we will just give the provider ID, which is NaraRouter, and the display name is NaraRouter, and the base URL. So for the base URL, let's go back to the URL and come here to the overview, and we will copy this API endpoint. So let's copy this, come here to the base URL and paste that. And now API key, as I have stored API key, I will paste that. So let's paste our API key and the model ID. So for the models, simply just come here back, and here we can copy the name of model. Like we want to use Mimo version 2.5 free. So let's copy the name, Come here back to the open code and paste the ID. And the display name is Mimo version 2.5. Simple, this is the display. Now let's submit it and it will create connection with NaraRouter. So let's close it and now we will connect and use that. Simply just come here. As you can see at the end, NaraRouter Mimo version 2.5. So let's click this. Now we are using Mimo version 2.5 and here we will change to the plan mode and simply let's first of all ask hello. And this is our first chat with this model. Let's press enter and see the response of this NaraRouter. You can see directly the response, hello, how can I help you today? So I will simply write which model is this. Press enter and it will answer to our query. So at fetch opencode.ai, I'm powered by Cloud Sonnet 4 model ID 4 from Anthropic. That's why it has answered to us. They are giving free access to Cloud Sonnet also. I think, yeah. If you move to the models, and here you can see these are also free. Cloud Sonnet 4.6 for free, and these are also free for, but these are free for the paid users. But it answered to our query like this. So I would like to build a React dashboard for e-commerce website. So let's press enter. So it will give us a plan for creating and building an e-commerce dashboard. Yeah, it will just ask a question for us, admin dashboard. Yeah, recommended which type of dashboard you want to have, like admin dashboard. That's it. Press next button and Tailwind, Shadow CN or Material AI and Design, which one, like Tailwind CSS and Shade CN. That's it. And dashboard over which features you want to include, so you can write your own or you can write dashboard overview. That's it. Next. And the last one is mock data. I have a backend API setup, API later mock data. Submit it. So it will give us a plan now for creating and building our dashboard. So this is the complete plan. Now if we ask from this, so it will create our dashboard. So it says, does this plan looks good to proceed or would you like to adjust it? Yeah, so it is asking if it is okay, so then we will continue to build it. This is the layout, UI, and these are the data, the folder structure, as you can see, and this is all about that. Let's minimize this. So it was all about this, okay, that you can use these models for free using NaraRouter. Okay, so the models, these models are for free. Now let's move to overview and we can see now, as you can see, 7 requests, success rate 100%, average latency 3.8, and 7 million tokens are remained still. So it was all about this new tool that I have shared and showed to you. Yeah, you can see we have used the recent request were to Mimo version 2.5. It was all about this. So if the video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and also leave a comment. It motivates me to make more videos for free AI tools like this. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.